Today we are discussing real numbers topic. Important questions, 1 mark. Previous year SSC examinations questions. First question: find the value of log 125 base 5. Solution: given log of 125 base 5, let log of 125 base 5 is equals to x. From formula, log n base a is equals to x. That implies n is equals to a power x. From this equation, n is equals to 125, a is equals to 5, x is equals to x. These all are values substituted in this. n 125, a means 5 power x. Now 125 you write like this, factors 125, 5 25 the 125, 5 the 25, 5 into 5 into 5 is equals to 5 power 3. Now in place of 125, 5 power 3 is equals to 5 power x. Here bases are same, equating powers. X is equals to 3. Now answer is log of 125 base 5 in place of x. This is the answer. Second question from real numbers: expand log of 385 base 10. This is the important question. See here, given log of 385 base 10. Here given 385, we are doing LCM 385. See, in 3 table, 3 1 the 3 2 the 6, 3 2 the 6, 25. That means 7 table, 7 5 ja 35, 35, remaining 3 5, 35, 7 5 ja 5, 5 11 ja. This is the 385 factors. 7 into 5 into 11. Okay, substitute in place of 385 this. That is equal to log of 7 into 5 into 11 base 10. Log of base x, a into b into c is equals to formula log of a base x plus log of b base x plus log of c base x. Okay, this is the formula. Now log of a, in place of a 7, in place of b 5, in place of 11. Expand this formula. log of 7 base 10 plus log of 5 base 10 plus log of 11 base 10. This is the answer. Next question is log of 81 base 3 rational number or irrational number? Justify your answer. Here given log of 81 base 3. 81 in LCM process factors, 81 factors, 3 table, 3 2 ja 6, 2 21, 3 7 3 9 the 27, 3 3 the 9, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is equals to 3 power 4. In place of 81, log of 3 power 4 3. Here from formula, log base x a power m is equals to m into log of a base x. This is the formula. Here m is equals to 4, a is equals to 3, x is equals to 3. Substitute this in this. In place of m, 4 log 3 base 3. Since log 3 base 3 is equals to 1, this is from formula. 4 into 1, 4. So 4 is log 3, log 81 base 3 is equals to 4 is a rational number. Fourth question, Ramu says if log of x base 10 is equal to 0, value of x is equals to 0. Do you agree with him? Give reason. Here Ramu says given log of x base 10 is equals to 0. Here from formula log of n base a is equals to x. What is the formula? Formula n is equals to a power x. This is the formula. Here n is equals to x, a is equals to 10, x is equals to 0. These all are values substituted in this formula. In place of n, x, a 10, x power 10 power, in place of x is equals 0, x 0. 10 power 0 is 1, x is equals to 1, and x is not equals to 0. So I don't agree with Ram. This is the answer. Now fifth question from real numbers, very important question. Find the value of log of 256 root 2. See here, given let log of 256 root 2 is equals to x. From formula log of n base a is equals to x. That implies n is equals to a power x. This is the formula. Okay, write in formula. N is equals to 256, A is equals to root 2, X is equals to X. N value 256 is equals to A. A means root 2 power X. Now in this we are converting bases same. So 256 LCM. 256 LCM. 2 1 are 2 2 are 2 1 are 2 2 are 16. 2 8 are 128. 2 6 are 2 4 are 60. 2 64 are 128. 2 3 are 2 are 32 are 64. 2 1 are 2 6 are 2 16 are 32. 2 8 are 16. 2 4 are 8. 2 2 are 4. See here. This is the factors of 256. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 means here 1 2 is equals to, we write like this, root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 value is 2. So 1 2 we write like this. How many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8. 8 means 8 2 is 16. That means root 2 power 16. Root 2 power 16 means 2 whole power 1 by 2 into 16. 2 into 8. That is equals to same. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is equals to this. We write like this. 2 power 8 we write like this. So in place of 256, root 2 power 16. That is equals to root 2 power x. Here root 2 bases are same. Bases are same, equating powers. So x is equals to 16. See, log 256 base root 2 is equals to 16. Once again I explain this. See here, 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 power 8. So here 2 power 8. 2 power 8 into 1 by 2. Now sixth question. Initial 4 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 1 without using this formula. A plus b by 2. Okay. Rational number means p by q. The numbers which are in the form of p by q, q is not equals to 0 and q is belongs to z. See here, 4 rational numbers between 3 by 4. 3 by 4. It means 3 by 4 means 0.75. How? See here, 4 divides 3. 0.047 the 28. 2.045 the. Okay. See here. Now understand. See here. Another number is 1. 1 by 1 is equals to 1. So 0.75 and 1 between these two numbers, but 4 rational numbers is here 0.75, 0.7, after that 0.8, 0.85, 0.9, 0.9, 5. These are the 4 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 1. See here, 7th question. Find the HCF and LCM of the 90 and 144 by the factorization method. See here, 90, first given 90. 90, we are writing this 90 in factors here. 90 2, see here, 90 means 245 is 90, 5 9s are 3 is 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 factors of 90. Okay, 2 5 into 3 into 3. Now 144, that is equal to, see here, 144, 2 7 the 2 2 the 70, 2 72 the 144, 2 3 the 2 36 the 72, 2 18 the 36, 2 9 the 18, 3 3 the, see here, 2 2 2 2 into 3 into 3. This is the factors of 144. Right here, 2 2 the 2 2 3 3. See here, here LCM. LCM means factors of 90 and 144. Same factors. All factors, sorry. 2, here 2 2.
నాకు కూడా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయింది.
7th question. Find the HCF and LCM of the 90 and 144. See here, 90 common factors. 90 factors we are finding. 2 45 the 90, 5 9 the 45, 3 3 the 90 is equals to 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. 144 also take here. 144 right here. 2 7 the 72 the 144, 2 36 the 72, 2 18 the 2 9 the 3 3 the 9. See here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. HCF. Okay, finding the HCF. HCF means common factors. 90 and 144 common factors. 2 2 2, 5, there is no 5, so 3 3 1, take 1, 3 3, take 1. Common factor and same. We are writing 2, here 2 3s, here also 2 3s. We are taking this, means 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 is 6, 3 6 3 is 18. HCF of 90 and 144 is 18. Now LCM. LCM means common factor and remaining. Common factor 2, here 3 1, here 3. This only take 1 1. Which are common? Take 1 1. 2, here 3 1 3, here 1 3. Remaining factors. How many? Here is 5 remaining. Here is 1 2 3. 2, 2, 2. This is the LCM. 2 3 is 6. Okay, 6 3 is 18. 18 5 is 90. 92 is 180. 182 is 360. 362 is 720. Okay. This is the answer. See here. LCM means same factors, common factors. Write 1, only 1. Here 3, 3. So take 1. Here 3, 3. Say take. Remaining factors you have to multiply with this one. These factors. See here 5, 2, 2, 2. This is the LCM. Okay.
Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.